everyone, it's Liv. Welcome back. Today I'm going to do a really short, quick video about how I propagate my devil's ivy. I've only ever bought one of my devil's ivy, and that's the one in the black rattan planter. I'll pop it here. Yeah, it's the only one I've bought. All the others have been cuttings that I've propagated. So I've got one ready to go, and it's this one. So I'm gonna pot it up and show you how I do it, and then how to cut and propagate your own if you or your friend or someone has a plant that they're willing to let you have a snip off. So stay tuned. So this has been in water for maybe a month, maybe two. I like to keep them in as long as possible, especially when their nodes are a bit smaller. So that's a good, that top one's probably, I don't know, 5 centimeters long, and the bottom ones are ready to roll. So I'm going to take this one out of the water, and I'm just going to pop it in this pot. I like to keep my pots for all different sizes, so this one's perfect for potting up that. As you can see, it's been used previously for another one, so I'm going to pot her up and show you. I've done a quick fly around the garden, and I'm really not precious with what dirt I put in this. So I had a pot out the back that didn't have a plant in it but had dirt, so I've got a little bit of that and a little bit of just like sandy loam soil in the middle layer. So it's sort of potting mix, sandy loam, and then more potting mix on the top, just so that the water drains through. This plant is quite used to being in water, so having good drainage is quite important, so that those roots don't panic or rot off when they go in dirt.
Simply because you're near me, honey. But when you're near me, I'm in the mood for love. I'm in the mood for love. Simply because you're near me, honey. But when you're near me, I'm in the mood for love. Heaven is in your.
So that's just how I pop it in the pot. Super easy, straight out of the pot, straight into water. I've got another one here. This is a cutting I took maybe a week ago. And as you can see, it doesn't have any roots just yet. That will turn into a root. So all this is water. I can't do that one handed. So yeah, I just chopped it off and left it in the water, so that will turn into a little root. So this plant, here, that's the original devil's ivy, so it's super long and lush. So I had a little bit of issues with this plant when I first got it. I did get it as a present, and it was quite root rot, so it didn't grow as well as it should, hence why I started taking cuttings when it went yellow. So I'll just flip it. So if you're wanting to take cuttings of one of these, Frankie. So if you're wanting to take cuttings of these, see this here? That's a node. So what you want to do is you want to cut about here, and then pop this whole thing in water and submerge the node in water, and then that will grow roots. Same if you've got ones that look like these. I've got a heap of them. Pop them in water, they will grow roots. you want interested in the plant? You can't sit in my lap. So that's it for today. Just a super short, quick video. Jordan's on night shift, so I'll have to talk a little bit quieter. But I hope that it helped you. And if you do your own cuttings and take your own, if you do your own, make sure to tag me at Modern Bohemia on Instagram. Bye. See you bye, Frank. See you bye. See you bye.